back out in the marsh, doing a little duck hunt. We've had a cold snap the last few days. Hopefully a new wave of birds have pushed into the area. So it's just me and Derek this morning, running a lot lighter of a spread today. We've got about 3 dozen divers and a dozen widgeon. Not really supposed to be a whole lot of wind. The way the birds have been acting the last few times out, I left the mojos at home, I left the pulsators at home, I left the motion ducks decoy spreader jerk rig at home. So we're kind of going no motion, which is completely untextbook, but I'm just trying something else for the way the birds have been acting lately. So sometimes you just gotta do that. Anyways, we're gonna get going, but before we do, go down, click that subscribe button so you can see when all of our new stuff's coming out. Also, you can go back into the channel and catch up on any videos that you've missed in the past. So anyways, here we go. Hope it goes good. Sorry, that was just a quick shot. They came over the top. I couldn't turn. He might turn back. You want him?
Go ahead.
Hey! Get up! Get up! Holy swans! You need one? Nice green-winged drake. There's 2 gold mice. I got one, but I think it was a hen. They're gold knife. Damn, I got the hen, the drake got away. That happened quick. They were just there. Sounds like it's coming right at us. I don't even see it.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. I'm not gonna have a shot, Jesse.
That's alright, neither of us are. Those kayaks flared them. Fucking ridiculous. Okay, so far this morning it's going pretty slow. We got some fog out here this morning that you can see. A few things flying. I've got a drake greenwing and a hen goldeneye. Derek just shot one down. Unfortunately, with public land, we had some guys come out right in front of our decoy spread that didn't want to get up on time this morning and get out here, as all the ducks were flying in prime shooting hours. They're right outside our decoy spread. We had geese coming in, they flared the geese off, everything, you know, so definitely don't be that guy. So anyways, hopefully some more birds will start flying with this fog burning off. These guys are so close to us. They're, you know, you'll be able to hear their calls. It's just ridiculous. So definitely don't be that guy. The reason I really missed is I went for my safety on where my other gun's been, where I've been shooting it. That sucked. Oh, he saw something he flared up. Get him. Okay, so we just had 2 ducks come out of nowhere. Camera was off. Now you know where they came from. Anyways, Derek just popped off one. I think it's a Drake Scott, but we'll find out here in a sec. Basically everything that's been coming in, the guys up from us have been flaring out, calling way too much. So anyways, we'll see what this one is, but I don't think there's really gonna be a whole lot more going on today, so we'll see. Me neither. Well, they look like scop coming in, but ringer. So, pretty nice one. Hey, there's a dead duck there.
Sorry.
I was trying to get the camera on. I got my barrel stuck up in the weeds, and so it's almost noon. We're getting ready to clean up. The wind's picked up now. Kind of see, basically I have a J hook going on today. We have all of our divers out here kind of in a crescent or a J, and then we got our widgeons along the shoreline here. Again, no motion decoys at all. This morning there wasn't any wind like you're seeing right now. We probably would have done a lot better if it wasn't for those guys, but they're gone. So is basically everybody else right now. So, you know, with us being almost the only ones out here at noon, the few birds that are flying with this wind, we're the ones out here picking them up. So we're probably gonna be getting ready to pick up decoys soon. It didn't go crazy today, but I think we ended up with 7 total. I lost 1 to the weeds. We got a goldeneye, a couple teal, and then yeah, the goldeneye, the teal, and a ringer. So not a horrible day. Hopefully those birds keep pushing on, and we saw a lot of pintails today, but they just didn't want to play. So anyways, we'll be getting out of here soon, so subscribe to the channel, catch up on all those past videos. So anyways, we'll catch you later.